The ecological niche of a nomadic plant is the title of an engraving made with aquatint and etching techniques on a copper plate and printed on cotton paper. The image represents the impact of the human footprint in a natural environment. In it, you can see the bank of a polluted river where a new species live, which is a hybrid between machines, plants, and microorganisms. It is an immersive image with a 360-degree viewing angle, which makes it an immersive graphic. Through virtual reality technologies, graphics offer the viewer the experience of being within that landscape, expanding and resignifying the relationship with the image. This immersive graphic work is a derivation of the Nomadic Plants project, which involves art, science, and technology. The nomadic plant is an autonomous robot that co-inhabits the banks of the Lerma River, one of the main tributaries of the Mexican territory, which is among the most contaminated in the country. This hybrid organism feeds on sewage. With the help of bacteria, it cleans the water and produces its own electrical energy. The resulting water feeds the plants that inhabit its structure. Altogether, this is a project that seeks to create awareness and open possibilities to restore our relationship with the planet.